Imagine waking up one day debt-free with enough money in the bank to live the life you have always dreamed of. Sounds incredible, right? But let me ask you this. What if that dream was slipping away with every financial mistake you make today? Scary thought, isn't it? But here's the good news. You are not alone, and it's not too late. Whether you are 18 or 30, today's the day you reclaim control of your financial future. Stick around because by the end of this entire video, you will know the 5 golden rules that will transform your finances and set you on the path to wealth. Now, before you think I have heard it all before, let me remind you, each of these rules comes with a twist. You probably haven't thought about it. So let's dive in. Here's the first rule. Pay yourself first. Sounds simple, but most people mess this up. Every paycheck sets aside at least 20% for savings and investments for spending a single cent. Why? Because if you wait until the end of the month, guess what? There will be nothing left. Think about it. Your Netflix subscription doesn't ask politely to be paid later, does it? Treat your savings with the same urgency. But wait, what if you don't even know where the 20% should go? Here's the next rule comes in. Now, budgeting may sound boring, but here's the kicker. If you don't track where the money is going, how can you ever control it? The key is simple. Create a budget that balances needs, wants, and savings. And no, Starbucks every morning doesn't count as a need. Sorry. But let me ask you this. What if life throws you a curveball, a medical bill, a car repair, or God forbid, a job loss? That brings us the next golden rule. Rule 3 is all about creating a financial safety net, an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months for living expense saved in a separate account. It's your buffer against the unexpected. Think a recession hits, you lost your job, and you are one step away from your financial ruin. But an emergency fund is only half the battle. What if your money could make more money while you sleep? Let's talk about the rule number 4. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start investing, the more your money grows thanks to compound interest. Think of it like planting a tree. The longer it grows, the more fruit it bears. But if you keep saying, I will start tomorrow, well, how many fruitless trees do you want in your orchard? But investments are not magic wands. Without one final rule, your financial foundation could come crumble down. The 5th rule is to protect what you have worked so hard to build. It means having the right insurance, health, life, and even renters or homeowners insurance. It also means planning your estate so your wealth benefits those you care about, just not your Uncle Sam. Think about this. What happens to your family if something unexpected happens to you? Without protection, all your hard work could disappear overnight. That's why this rule ties everything together. It ensures your legacy lasts. So there you have it. The 5 golden rules of your personal finance. Pay yourself first, know your budget, build an emergency fund, invest early, and the final is protect your wealth. Now, the question is, which rule will you start with today? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more life-changing financial advice. And remember, every day you delay is another day your future self wishes you hadn't. Don't leave your financial freedom to chance. Take action now.